Is home improvement loan interest tax deductible? For starters, the mortgage interest deduction is a common deduction that is available for homeowners. This deduction can be claimed for interest on a mortgage that was used to purchase, build, or improve a home. There are a few other things to keep in mind when it comes to the home improvement loan interest deduction. First, the loan must be used to improve your home's function or aesthetics. So, for example, you can't deduct interest on a loan you use to repair your toilet or fix the broken window. But you can deduct interest on a loan you use to remodel your kitchen, replace the roof, or add a new bathroom. Improvements that add price value to your home is eligible. Second, the total amount of interest you can deduct is capped at a maximum loan principal amount of $375,000 for single homeowners or $750,000 for married homeowners. Finally, in order to claim the deduction, you need to itemize your deductions on your tax return. If you take the standard deduction instead, you may not be able to claim the home improvement loan interest deduction. The bottom line is that, if you use a home improvement loan to actually improve your home value, the interest you pay may be tax deductible. Just be sure to keep track of all the details so you can accurately claim the deduction on your tax return. You should speak to a tax professional to find out if you are eligible for these home improvement loan interest deductions.